Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update audio recording using AVAudioSession in iOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update audio recording using AVAudioSession in iOS, start by importing AVAudioSession into your project. Create a new Swift file where you will implement the audio recording functionality. In your file, define a class that will handle audio recording. Initialize an instance of AVAudioSession in your class. Set the audio session category to play and record. Activate the audio session. Handle any potential errors that may arise during activation. Create a function to configure your audio recording settings. Define the audio format, sample rate, and number of channels. Utilize AVAudio Recorder to create an instance for recording. Request microphone permission for the user. Check the authorization status for microphone access. If access is granted, prepare your audio recorder for recording. Implement the recording functionalities by adding start and stop methods. Ensure you handle stopping the recording correctly to finalize the audio file. Add a delegate method to receive updates on recording progress. Use this delegate method to manage UI changes while recording. After stopping the recording, handle any errors that may occur while saving the file. Test the application on a device to ensure everything functions as expected. Debug any issues that arise during testing, focusing on audio session configurations. Optimize your code for clarity and maintainability. Add comments throughout your code to explain critical sections to future developers. Consider implementing additional features, such as playback options or audio file sharing. Finalize your implementation by refining the user interface to enhance the user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.